For the next 10 minutes, I invite you not to try to calm down. I invite you not to stop thinking, not to stop feeling anxious. I simply want to help you and your body remember what resting feels like. Whenever you're ready, let's begin. Take a moment to notice that you've already arrived. Nothing to fix, nothing to earn. Just here, just this moment. Now, I invite you to simply just notice how you feel, not how you think you should feel. How do you really feel at this moment? Is there some anxiety, some restlessness? Is there heaviness, or maybe tiredness? Whatever is here right now, welcome it as best as you can. You can put a hand on the part of your body where you're feeling this. It could be the heart area. It could be your stomach. It could be somewhere in your head or face. Just try to see if you can become curious instead of critical. Where does your anxiety, or if not anxiety, where does this feeling live in your body today? Maybe your chest is a bit tight. Maybe your shoulders feel heavy. Maybe your stomach doesn't feel right. Maybe your jaws is clenched. There is no right or wrong answer. You don't need to fix any of it right now. See if you can quietly say to yourself, this is what I feel today, what I feel at this moment. This is what anxiety feels like today. Not forever, just today, just this moment. You don't have to like it. You don't have to understand it. You only have to notice it. Now, if you'd like, place your hands gently over your lower belly. Then take a slow breath in through your nose and allow your belly to expand. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Not trying to breathe perfectly, simply reminding the body that it doesn't need to prepare for anything right now. Please continue breathing slowly and gently. You may focus more on the out breath. Your thoughts don't need to stop. Your anxiety doesn't need to disappear. We're simply allowing ourselves to rest in this moment. You may ask yourself, what if nothing needed to be solved for the next 60 seconds? No planning, no fixing, just breathing, just sitting, just being here, and choosing to meditate right now. That is all we really need to do. You chose to be here. You can be here. And if at any moment thought comes in, let them come. If anxiety shows up again, let it show up. You can simply notice anxiety is here and continue breathing. Meditation isn't something we do after we become calm. It's something we can do even while we're anxious, even while we're overwhelmed, while we're human. Take another slow breath into your belly and slowly let it go. Relaxing your toes, relaxing your feet, relaxing your legs, your belly, your chest, relaxing your shoulders, your arms, hands, each finger as best as you can. Relaxing your neck, your mouth, eyes, your face and your jaw, your head, as best as you can. And if it feels impossible, it feels like it's not going to happen, you may give yourself some compassion by putting one or both hands on your chest, embracing this humanness. Breathing in, breathing out. I hope that you remember that you do not have to stop being anxious before you are allowed to rest. And whatever you're feeling right now, please remember, this is what anxiety feels like today. Not forever. just today, just this moment. Everything passes, even this, even if it doesn't feel like it. And whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one or more last deep breaths in and out. Slowly open your eyes. Just this, just noticing. That is the yes.